Okay, Lynn, good afternoon once again. Are you ready with our lesson?
Yes, I'm
Okay,
ready.
that's great. Okay, we are going to talk about Unit 6 of Smart World. Okay. So do you know what is community services?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me what is community services? Do you know what is community? Community is, can you tell me about a community, Lynn? Lynn?
Yes, a community.
Okay, a community is a group of people. Okay. Or in other words, general public. That is a community, okay? Can you tell me about services?
A group of people. Or
Okay, sorry, if you can see, all right.
a
Services,
group of people or in the
okay, services are amenities. Amenities or simply public needs. Okay. Okay. In other words, community services is amenities or public needs by the general public. Okay. So community is a general public or a group of people, and services is amenities. Okay. So we are going to talk about
yes.
community services. So in this lesson, we should, at the end of this lesson, we should we should learn about public services in your town, and we can use definite and indefinite articles and use the prepositions. Okay, let's take a look at this. Police station.
Police, police station.
All right, that's great. Library.
Library.
Hospital.
Hospital.
Post office.
Police office.
Post office.
Police post office.
Okay, that's great. And the last one is bus station.
Bus station.
Okay, that's good. All right, take a look at the picture. Okay, can you see the pictures?
Yes.
Okay, let's see if you can enumerate or you can tell what are the names of these amenities. These are called amenities for the public. Okay, or services.
Number one
Services are,
is train
okay.
station.
Okay, correct. That is a train station.
Number two is a library.
Okay. Number two is, wait a minute, let me just so you can see it properly. Okay, this is a library. Next one.
Uh, Number 3 is a hospital.
Great. Hospital. Number 4.
Number 4 is police station.
All right. Great job, Lynn. Police station. Next.
Number 5 is a post office.
Post office.
Post office.
Okay, that's great. And for the last one,
It's a bus station.
great job, Lynn. It's a bus station. All right, it's a bus station. Great job. So these are all the community services or the amenities that are needed by the public. All right.
Yes.
Okay, so do you ride a bus station, Lynn? I'm sorry. Do you ride a bus?
It's
Have you tried riding a bus? Have you tried riding in a bus? I can't hear you. Please unmute yourself, darling. Unmute yourself, sweetie.
really.
Okay. So my question is, have you tried riding a bus? Or you just ride in a car or motorbike?
Car.
Okay, so you did not ride in a bus yet. Okay, so a bus station or a bus is a public transport. Okay, for the public, for a lot of people. Okay. Let's see. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at the grammar. Okay. We are going to let's take a look at grammar, and we are going to talk about articles. Articles, we use a or an in front of a singular noun when we talk about it for the first time. For example, a bus station. Okay. After that, we use the word the. Okay, for example, the bus station. Okay, we also use the when it's clear from the situation which one we're talking about. Okay, then the preposition, we use prepositions of place to say where things are. Do you know what is a preposition, Lynn?
Preposition. No.
Preposition is, wait, a word that is preceding a noun. For example is next, above, between. Okay, those are the example of preposition. They are usually seen in the beginning of a sentence. Beginning of a noun, preceding a noun. Okay. All right. Example here, we have here an example. Take a look at this one. Is there a train station near here? This is what I'm talking about the first time. For the first time, you use a or a. This one here. See that? The preposition a or a. And for the next time, you use the article the. This is the example. Okay, can you please read here? Excuse me, is there a post office here?
Excuse me, is there a post office near here? Yes, the post office is on the Ox Street. This is opposite the library.
Opposite. You say opposite.
Is it opposite the library?
Okay, so it's opposite.
It's opposite the library.
Okay, so that's it. So we are going to have the example here of a and the. Okay. In the question, you notice that he used a. Have you seen that?
Yes.
And so in his answer, he used the. Okay? Because he is already sure of the post office. Of where is the post office. Okay, let's take an example here. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Circle the correct answers or the correct words. Can you see this one? The box here? These are all prepositions. Can you read it, Lian?
Near to is between, opposition.
Okay. Next to or?
Next to.
Okay, succeeding. Okay. You know what is between?
Yes.
Okay, between. Okay, let me just write it. Next to is succeeding. Okay, succeed. These are the opposite words. Succeeding or next to, between, at the middle. Okay, opposite is on the other side. Okay, when you hear the word opposite, the other word for that is on the other side. Okay, between, at the middle, or at the, oh yes, and next to is succeeding. Okay. Let's have a look on the exercises. Number 1, can you read number 1, Lynn? Here. Number 1, can you read it, sweetie?
Excuse me, is the post office near here?
Okay. So the preposition that was used is a because he is not sure of the post office. And take a look at the answer of Chris. Yes. What will
I think is the I think it's the.
What's the answer? What's the answer, Lynn?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Very good. The post office is on Garden Street. Okay, number 3.
Is between.
Okay, that's great. Next,
Molly. Thanks. Oh, and is the there a
correct.
bus station near her?
Very good, Lynn. Number 5, sorry.
Yes. Yes. The bus station is on the Market Street.
Great job. And last one,
Is peace between the subway and the
subway.
subway and the library.
Okay, that's good. Okay, that's great, Lynn. You've done a great job. All right, so let's see what's next. Take a look at the diagram here or the picture here. This one. It's the map. Take a look at the map. The library, supermarket, movie theater, hospital, bus station, train station, and post office. We are going to answer some exercises here and let's complete the sentences. All right, Lian?
Yes.
Okay, Ben.
Thanks. Excuse me. Is the supermarket near her? Yeah. Mary? Yes. It's between the library and uh, movie
Movie theater.
theater.
Okay. Okay, you are correct. The movie theater. All right.
Yes.
Next.
Grace is the post office. Near here.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. The post office is near to a train station.
Okay. Office. The post office is next to.
A train station.
All right. Train station. Okay, next.
Is the bus station true? Yeah. Yes, there is. The bus station is off outside
Opposite.
opposite train station.
Okay. The bus, you are correct. The bus station. Bus station is opposite the train station. Train station. Good job, Lynn. Ben.
And thank you. Thank you for your help. Goodbye. Mary, you are welcome.
All right. Okay, with all the correct answer, can you read from the beginning?
Hence, excuse me, is there a supermarket near here? Mary, yes, it's between the library and mover there.
Theater.
Theater. Hence, Grace, is there a post office near here? Mary, yes, the post office is next to the train station. Then, is the upper is the upper station too? Yeah, there is. The bus station is opposite the train opposite the train station.
Okay. Thank you for your help. Goodbye. You're welcome. Okay, that's good, Lian. All right. Let's see what's next. Let me just take a picture. Okay. Okay, let's proceed to the pronunciation. Okay, we're going to focus on the word ST. All right. Lynn, can you say station?
Yes.
Station.
Station.
Post office.
Post office.
Okay, that's great. Let's practice some conversation, okay?
Yes.
Okay, let me read on Jack and you read on Sally, okay?
Okay.
Excuse me, is there a train station near here?
Yes. The train station is on King Street. It's opposite the school.
Thanks. Oh, and is there a library near here?
Yes, the library is on the Queen Street. It's next to the bus.
Great, thank you. Okay, let's have some exercises here. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. We are going to use, instead of a train station, we are going to use a post office, okay? Can you see this one, Lynn?
Yes.
Okay, instead of a train station, we're going to use post office. All right, and then Garden Street, next to the bridge, police station, Hopkins Lane, and between the zoo. Okay, excuse me, is there a post office near here?
Yes. The post office is on Garden Street. Is up
Next,
is next to the pride
bridge. next to the bridge.
Next to a place.
Okay, next to the bridge. Can you say it again? Bridge.
Bridge.
All right. Bridge. Okay, thanks. Oh, and is there a police station near here?
Yes. The police station is on Hopkins Lane. It's between the zoo and the subway.
Okay, very good, Lynn. It's between the zoo and the subway. All right. Another example. Let's have one more exercises. Okay. We are going to use hospital. Okay. Market Street instead of King Street. Okay, you know it already, right? Okay. Excuse me. Is there a hospital near here?
Yes, the hospital is on Market Street.
Okay.
Is opposite the movie theater.
Theater. Thanks. Oh, and is there a bus station near here?
Yes, the library is on
No, we
Queen
use
and
here bus station. Bus station.
Yes, the bus station is on the below street. It's near the
Arcade.
arcade.
Okay, that's good. Great. Thank you. Okay, let's do it one more time. Excuse me. Is there a hospital near here?
Yes.
Hospital?
Yes, the hospital is on the Maker Street.
Thanks. Oh, and is there a bus station? Oh, okay, go ahead.
Opposite the school. No,
Opposite the movie.
opposite the movie theater.
Okay. Thanks. Oh, and is there a bus station near here?
Yes, the library. No, the bus station.
Okay.
Is on the Milo Street. It is near the arcade.
Arcade. Great. Thank you. Okay. Let's practice exercise B. Okay. Take a look at the map down. Can you see the map? Ian? Can you see the map? Maple Falls and Fairview. Can you see it, sweetie? Can you see it? Lynn? Can you hear me, Lynn? Lynn, can you hear me? Hello, Lynn?